So I found this Good Neighbor Day America.
Literally like people all across the country volunteering and doing simple acts of kindness.
A movement built on one simple idea. An act of kindness can change somebody's day.
Our goal is to reach 250 million people with random acts of kindness.
Try to hand out gas cards to the people.
Because why not?
Can I help pay for some of your laundry today?
Do you mind if I'm a good neighbor today and pay for your gas?
This is my younger brother, Clay. We thought we'd surprise him with something special.
We just wanted to give you $1,000.
Small acts of kindness reduce loneliness, depression, anxiety. It's basically a remedy that can begin to heal the soul of our country and culture.
There's a whole lot of hate in the world, but hopefully that just showed you what kindness can do. Choose kindness today.
In New York City, kicking off Good Neighbor Day America. And I'm right now at PS19 in Corona, Queens. We're actually partnering with New York Care, by the way, has 48 different service locations all across the city.
In Bankhead, West Atlanta, we had an awesome time. Tons of food went out from here to over 24 sites.
In Orange County, California, as our nation celebrates 250 years, and what better way than to join with thousands of locations and contribute millions of hours of community service.
We showed up here at Collins Elementary today to give hope to people around us. We're coming just loving on people.
All right, so we're at Boot Church today in Miami Gardens doing I Love My City, partnering with Good Neighbor Day America. Right now you see the food drive right behind me. We're helping over hundreds of families today.
Right here in Metro Detroit, we're in the Oakland County area. Just a beautiful day to say, community, we love you. Good neighbors are right here.
We're here on the Great West Side of Chicago. We have put out well over $1.5 million of just 10 truckloads that we've had. That's over 240 pallets.
Our team here is in Denver, Colorado. We have another team who's packing 3,000 meals that are gonna go toward families and individuals who are experiencing hunger right here locally.
A couple of weeks ago, we had a tornado come through, as you can see. I was overwhelmed, didn't know what to do. A couple days later, I get an email from this amazing company and CRI. They said, hey, we'd love to help you bring some people out here. And today is cleanup day.
And we have the privilege of serving communities all across our island through food distribution, wellness hubs, and community cleanups throughout Oahu. Hundreds of people stepped out with one mission, to love our neighbors well.
Today we are at Imperial Courts in Los Angeles, California with Good Neighbor Day, Love Has No Limits, and the Dream Center. We are having inflatable fun with the kids riding down the slide.
We're going to be packing bags for veterans. We will deliver those items to a VA hospital.
We have volunteers all over City Serve, Oklahoma this morning that are helping us build furniture for families in need. Because of this national initiative, thousands of families are able to be resourced, shown kindness, and incredible impact on this Compassion Day.
Being a good neighbor is being ready and willing
to give back to the community.
Is treating those next to you like with more kindness, more gentleness.
For a teenager my age, this sets the tone for my future and what I want to do.
I believe that acts of kindness is just so important because you never truly know what someone's going through.
Just being there, helping each other out and spreading love, that's what it's about.